अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप? आई होप आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. एंड द टॉपिक फॉर टुडे exercise 5.1 was continue, and today we will going to solve question number 4. Exercise 5.1 we have, and it's question number 4. In question number first, we are factorizing the algebraic expression in this chapter, and we have just studied 3 types of factorization. As you know, in previous lecture we have did question number first, in which we will take common from the whole expression, and in the second we take common from two terms by combining similar terms. In the third one, type of factorization was to by completing the square we factorize the number, and the fourth type is the use of identity we will do today inshallah. In the question number 3, exercise 5.1 is going to start. So students, so far we have discussed factorization types. Type 1, taking common from the whole expression. In the question number 1 we have used type number 1. And type number 2, taking common from two terms by rearranging the expression if needed. Okay, in question number 2 you can see the parts in which we could not take a common from the whole expression. Therefore we in some of the questions we arrange the term, and sometime without any arrangement we take common from first two expression and last two expression, so that the answer of the bracket was same, and we do the second part of factorization like this. And the third type we did yesterday by completing the square, in which we find there were an expression containing three terms. One of the term was a square, second term was b square, and the term in between was 2ab. We have solved all the parts of this question, and today is the type number 4. In question number 4 we have today type number 4, factorizing by factorization, you may say. Factorization is a process by in which we can express a complicated algebraic expression to a simple manner. In the introduction we have studies about it. Factorization using identity number 3, that is a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. So students, type number 4 is our task today, and the question number 4 is totally rely on type number 4. We will given an expression that containing two terms, then we will use type number 1 of factorization, type number 2 of factorization, and try to simplify this like this form will be given. We will take common and then form the expression into its product. See the question number 4. Question number 4 and its first part, of course, factorize. We have to factorize exercise 5.1, and the first part is 3x square minus 75y square. You can see on your book question number 4, and its third part 3x square minus 75y square. So students, first of all we'll see that what is common in both the expression. If you understand the tables very well, you can easily see 3 is common, because 75 is 75 equal 3 into 25 is always 75. But if you find how we would know that is 73 is common from here, then you need to factorize this expression and use the type number 1, taking common from whole expression. We could not take common by factorizing a whole term. 3 can be written as 3 solution, and x square can be written as x into x. It means 2 times x, because every number is a multiple of itself. Similarly, x cube can be written as x into x into x. Here dot mean multiplying. And what are the factor of 75? For this we have to take the LCM of 75. 3 25 time, 5 5 time, and 5 1 time. It means 75 can be written as 3 into 5 into 5, and y square into y into y. Okay, now see in both the terms what is common. 3 is common, and only 3 is common now. So if I'll take 3 common, inside bracket I have x into x, that is x square, minus 5 into 5, 25, and y into y, y square. It means in the whole expression using type number 1 we see that 3 was common. You can skip this step if you know that 3 is common between them. Now this is the type of a square and this is the type of b square. If I express x square as x whole square and 25 is the whole square of what number, किस नंबर को उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करें 25 बाई 5 स्क्वायर, माइनस 25 वाई स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज 5 वाई होल स्क्वायर. Now see this, in the left hand side we have a type like this, x whole square minus b equal 5y whole square. It means we are given with left hand side, that is a square minus b square, and this is a square. What is a here? A equal x. This is b square. What is b here? 5y. अगर हम इस एक्सप्रेशन को इस फॉर्म में लिख रहे हैं, दिस इज a square and it is b square. It means the number inside the bracket is a and the number its square, and the number inside the bracket is b and its whole square. It means if I express a square minus b square into this form, it means one time I have to add into one time I have to subtract. See this, 3 a plus b mean x plus 5y into a minus b mean x minus 5y, because I have already introduced that the number in the bracket is a and the number in this bracket is 5y. So if you want to write a plus b, you need to add x plus 5y, not their square, into x minus 5y. This is the factorized form of this expression. See again, 3x square minus 75 whole square you express in its factors बनाए आपने इन तीनों के, 3 into 5 into 5 y into y. Then see 3 is common, inside we have x into x, x square, 5 into 5 25, y into y, y square, and make this a square minus whole की फॉर्म में लिखा है इसका whole square. X square is the whole square of x, 25 y square is the whole square of 5y. Then a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. This is our work. Student, you have already done this working in chapter number 4. If I can remind you, you must have notes of chapter number 4 along with you, where we did these kind of questions. Yes, you have already been used such type of expression here. A square minus b square form बनाने के लिए question number 3 fifth part, you made a square minus b square form, you made a square minus b square form in this question, and in the many more questions. Here x square minus 5, you write x whole square minus 5 whole square. So it is simple. You must need to know, and you have already familiar with that formula. Now let's move on to the question number 2, that is x into x minus 1, question number 4, and its second part, x into x minus 1 minus y into y minus 1, minus y into y minus 1. Now this is a different from the first part. What we need to do, we seeing that in this expression we have two terms, x into x minus 1, and second one is y minus y into y minus 1. So we can't take anything common. If we'll take x common, x is not present here. If we take x minus 1 common, x minus 1 is not here. So it is not easy for us to take common. So in this way we need to multiply x into x. X multiplied by x is x square. X into minus 1 minus x, minus plus minus y into y, y square, minus minus plus y into 1 is y. Now see this, x square minus y square. We know the formula of x square minus y square equal x minus y into x plus y. Similarly, it can also be expressed in the form of a square minus b square as well. So what I am going to do is to arrange again first term and the third term, that is x square minus y square minus x plus 5. What benefit I got by arranging this? What I am doing that x square minus y square, that is equal, x square minus y square will be substituted by x minus y into x plus y. ये सारा किसके इक्वल है? x square minus y square equal x minus y into x plus y. So I replace x square minus y square by x minus y into x plus y, and taking minus common from these two expression. I already told you, if we take minus common from any two terms, the sign inside the bracket would be changed. This minus will become positive x and this plus will become negative of y. Now again I have two expression, but in this expression I have two terms, and what can I take common is x minus y. So taking x minus y common, inside bracket I have x plus y, and if x minus y remove from here, remaining is minus 1. So clearly we made two factors. In very first lecture we have discussed in detail that in real number we made factor like 8 into 7, or in algebraic terms we made factor by taking common. So see this, if we multiply these two terms we will get the same result. Okay students, clear? I will explaining again. X into x, x square, x into minus 1, minus x, minus plus minus y into y, y square, and minus minus plus y into 1, y. Okay, now arranging first and third, and second and fourth. First term will appear as x square, third term minus y square, second term as minus x, and fourth term as y. Then we know that this formula we have expressed in a square minus b square form, a minus b into a plus b. Similarly, it can also express in x square minus y square form. It always hold that square of one number minus square subtraction of other number. It would be one time plus or one time minus. So x square minus y square is replaced by x minus y into x plus y. This is formula, must remember. X square minus y square into x minus y into x plus y, minus into x minus y. Now taking x minus y common, x plus y minus 1. Okay students, clear? Let's move on to the next question. And question number 3 and 4 are easy. It is as simple as we did first part of question number 4. Only the question number 2 was different, having unique method, and question number 3 and 4 you can solve. Third part is 128 am square minus 242 an square, and fourth part it is not visible, so we'll take next page. Fourth part is 3x minus 243x cube. Okay. Question number 3 and its solution. See that 128 am square and 240 and minus 242 an square. Using factorization type number 1, and after this using the formula a square minus b square is equal a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so 128 has factor. 128 can be written as taking LCM. It will be a very lengthy procedure. What I am noticing here is that 2 is common between all of them. If the last digit in a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then 2 is common between them. So instead of taking LCM and making my expression longer, I'll notice that 2 is common from them. Let's take it. So 2 is common and a is common as well. If I take 2a as common, then 128 divided by 2 is 64. Remaining here 64 m square minus 244, 2 is common, equal 121. 121 a is common, n square. Now see that students, you must have familiar with the perfect square of the numbers, and what is the perfect square of 64 is 8, and what is the perfect square of m square? M. 8m whole square minus what is the perfect square of 121 is 11, and perfect square of n square is n. So again I made that form a square minus b square, a square minus b square. It means inside the bracket is a and inside the bracket is b. So a square minus b square form has been given to me, and I will make the form a plus b into a minus b by adding ones time and subtracting ones time. 8m minus 11n into 8m plus 11n. That's it. So this is the factorized form of 128 am square minus 242 an square. What we need to do, seeing that a is common, 2 is also common. If we'll take 2 common, it would become 64m square, and if we take 2 common from 242, it is 121n square. What can we do next? We have to form this expression formula a square minus b square. So 64m square can be written as 8m whole square minus 121n square can be written as 11n whole square. This is equal to a into 8m minus 11n into 8m plus 11n. A square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. You have already implemented this formula in unit number 4. So simply add them and subtract them, you will get the result. And question number 4 is too easy. I think you will do it self. 3 is common, then it would be 3x is common, 1 minus 81x square. So this question is for your homework. Students who consider that who thought that they would do this question themselves, they will not follow me and forward this video for the next to the next question, but I am saying you as a whole class, in which some students need to be solve all the questions they need, and they might struggle in it. As I always told you in the class, if you understand the question number 3, 2, 1, if you understand this question, then you are advised to pause this video here and solve this question. Okay, students, start solving this question and get the answer. After solving that part, you can play the video. I am solving that question till 3x minus 243 x cube. See that x is common, x power 1 is available here, and x cube is x into x into x. It means x power 1 can be taken common, and further 3 can be taken common because 243 is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24, and 3 1 times 3. So it means 3x can be taken as common. 3x into inside bracket I have 3x ही बार जब remove हो गया यहाँ से, तो then we have 1 minus 81 x square. 3x into 1 can be written as the square of itself, and 81x square can be written as 9x whole square. Then simply this is a square minus b square form. What is a here? A is 1, and what is b here? B is 9x. So 3x into 1 time 1 minus 9x into 1 plus 9x, using formula. Which formula? A square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. Will use the formula to solve this question. Equality in all this question is must in the beginning, because these are not the equations, these are the expression. An algebraic expression demands, if you are simplifying them, there must be an equality in the beginning. If you are dealing with an algebraic equation, then you not need to write the equality here. Okay, so we'll solve the fourth part as well. 3x common 1 minus 81x square, and 1 can be written as the square of itself, and 81x square can be written as 9x whole square. A square minus b square form, 1 minus 9x into 1 plus 9x, using that formula. Thank you so much. We have completed the question number 4. I hope all of you, the students, are doing these questions and doing the practice of this question. And I request all of you that it is online lesson and online video lecture. Try to listen it 3 to 4 times. If you not understand the properly, you must have a rough register to note these questions, and after you note these questions, you need to copy them on your rough on your neat register as a notes. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to the question number 5. Question number 5, again factorize, but this type is different from the type we have studied from question number 1 to 4. Factorize, and the first question is x square minus y square minus 6y minus 9. Students, before starting to solving this question, I would tell you about the methodology we will use in its part 1 to 6. In its part 1 to 6, we have to factorize this expression. First, we have 4 expressions, and you can see x square minus y square minus 6y minus 9. None of the number is common. We can't take x common, we can't take y common, we can't take 6 common, we can't take 9 common. So question number 5, in question number 5 you will always find a complete square. A complete square of what? A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, और a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. इसकी आप हमेशा इस क्वेश्चन में जो फॉर्म फाइंड करेंगे, दिस फॉर्म विल बी गिवन. यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट फॉर्म. हाउ यू विल आइडेंटिफाई? बाय टेकिंग कॉमन फ्रॉम sometime first 3 terms, sometime last 3 terms, and sometime doing operation on the last digit. I will explain you one by one in those questions. So in the first question, remember that trick, x square remain as it is. Now see, if this y square positive and this is positive, y power 2 then y then 9, तो हमें यही चाहिए. दिस 3 कैन बी रिटन एज 3 होल स्क्वायर. सो इन द बिगिनिंग इफ आई टेक माइनस कॉमन फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 टर्म्स, and what will happen by taking minus common, I always explain you in the previous part as well, when we take minus common, the sign inside the bracket or all changes. This minus y square will become positive y square, this minus 6y will become positive 6y, and this minus 9 will become positive 9. What I have did nothing, just taking minus common from last 3 terms. What we need, we have taken common last 3 terms में से आपने minus को common लिया. Whenever you are taking minus common, the sign inside the bracket change. They were all negative terms. They are become positive terms. Now you will find the complete formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Let's see. X can be written as x whole square minus this y square can be written as y whole square. This 9 can be written as 3 whole square, and this plus 6y can be written as plus 2 into a bracket के अंदर है जो वो a into b, inside the bracket is b. So students, see that a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 3s are 6y ही ये बनेगा इनको मल्टीप्लाई करने से. इट मीन्स दिस इज द कंप्लीट फार्मूला ऑफ, दिस इज टाइप नंबर 3 in which we find a complete formula, and this is y plus 3 whole square. It is y plus 3 whole square y plus 3 whole square formula. I told you in the beginning, in all these questions you will find a complete square. Either it is of a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. ये form हमें given होगी. We will close this, and in the first part we have did that. Similarly, in the upcoming parts there might be a square minus 2ab plus b square form, depending I will take minus common and it will result. Okay, you have to close this expanded form of the expression and get the result. Now see that this is a whole square minus this is the whole expression, the whole term y plus 3, it is b, it is a and it is b. See that a square minus b square I need to zoom out for clear image of the page. So this is this x is a equal x, and this y plus 3 is b. A square minus b square equal, you have type number 4. We have learned today a plus b into a minus b. So we will apply this formula here. A plus b, what is a? Inside the bracket is a plus b. What is b? Inside the bracket we have b, x plus y plus 3 into a minus b. This is a minus this whole expression y plus 3 is b. The one time plus and one time minus. Now I use the bracket here because bracket is being used here because this term is the sum y plus 3. So if I'll not take use bracket, then there can be mistakes students can do of sign. Now see, x plus 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 x plus y plus 3 into x. See this minus plus minus y and minus plus minus 3. This is the answer, and this is the factorized form of this expression x square minus y square minus 6y plus 9. Students, see that we find the first identity a plus b whole square, second identity a minus b whole square, and third identity a square minus b square whole square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay students, what you need to do now is the second part. I will give you the way, the hint you may say to solve the second part. X square minus a square plus 2a minus a square plus 2a minus 1. This is second part. Okay, again see that x square minus a square plus 2a minus 1. First what we need to do, I'll explain you in the last question. We have to take common, something we need to take common. Either it would be minus common, either it would be plus common, and then find out a formula of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Here is the possibility. What you can take common is simply minus a square plus 2a minus 1. In the last term, देखो a square then a power 1. It means we can take minus common in the last three expression. Then by taking minus common, I always told you it is that sign change. This sign of minus a square would become positive a square, and this plus sign of 2a will become negative of 2a, and this negative will become positive of 1. ठीक है, just we do is we have taken minus common in the last term, minus a square plus 2a minus 1. Minus, when we'll take minus common, the sign of the terms change. It was minus a square, it become plus a square. It was plus 2a, it become minus 2a, and it was minus 1, it become plus 1. Now we will make the formula. Which formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. We will close this form as a minus b whole square. What can we do? X square can be written as x whole square minus a square can be written as a whole square. 1 can be written as 1 whole square, and minus 2a can be written as minus 2 into a into 1. X square is equal to x whole square minus a square can be written as a whole square, 1 can be written as 1 whole square, and minus 2a we can written minus 2 into a into 1. Now x whole square minus all these terms form a formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, a equal a and b equal 1. It is a minus 1 whole square. Now we'll use the formula next. A square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. We will use the bracket a, this is a, and a minus 1 is b. X plus a minus 1 into x minus a minus 1 bracket close. Now simplifying the brackets, x plus 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 a plus minus minus 1, x as it is, minus plus minus a and minus minus plus 1. This is the factorized form of the expression above. See again, what we will do, we will take common, minus common, minus, if we will take minus common, a square minus a square will become plus a square, plus 2a become minus 2a, and minus 1 become plus 1. X square can be written as x whole square minus, this is a whole square, this is 1 whole square, minus 2 into a into 1, it is x whole square minus a minus 1 whole square. Now inside the bracket is a and inside the bracket here is b. A square minus b square, as we study the formula, is a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus 4 a minus b, and this is x plus a plus b and a minus b. Opening the bracket, plus 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 minus minus, x remain as it is, minus plus minus and minus minus plus, answer. And the part number 3 is 4x square minus y square minus 2y minus y square minus 2y minus 1. 4x square minus y square minus 2y minus 1. It is very again simple. We will use the same logic, same concept, same working as we did in first two parts. Student, you can do it yourself, and those students who consider that we understand the question number 5 part first second, they pause that video here and start solving this question. But if you find that it is difficult for us and we need to see it first time, and after practice we will be perfect in that question, they will follow me again. Solution was, first step is to take minus common. 4x square minus common, yes, taking minus common will alter the sign inside the bracket. Y square plus 2y plus 1. Okay, now 4x square can be written as 2x whole square, because 4 is a perfect square of 2 and x square is a perfect square of x. perfect square mean कि उसको उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि वो नंबर आ जाए. 4 is a perfect square of 2, 9 is a perfect square of 3, and 16 is a perfect square of 4. And minus, this is again formula, very simple. Y square can be written as y whole square, 1 can be written as 1 whole square, and plus 2y can be written as plus 2 into a into b, closing the bracket. Again, what is this formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square into 2ab. You need to identify just a and b. 2ab can be written as easily 2x whole square minus y plus 1 whole square. Okay, now this is again a and this is again b. We will use the formula here. Which identity? A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just identify a and b by making their square. If you make the square, then it would be easy to find 2ab. Now a square minus b square, using the formula, a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. So 2x minus y minus into y plus 1 is equal 2x plus y plus 1. One time we add 2x minus y plus 1. One time we subtract 2x plus y plus 1. A plus b. 2x a minus b. B is y plus 1. Simplifying then, 2x plus 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 y and plus 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 1, and here 2x minus plus minus y and minus plus minus 1 is the solution of this expression. Okay students, I hope you understand all these parts. Those students who find it difficult because it is factorization and I am not with you in the class, I am available for you in the group as well. So you share the problems, and you can even tell me in which question you have faced problem, and I have tried my best to explain you as much as possible, as many time as possible. I have also explained all the parts 2 or 3 times. What you students need to do is to watch this video again and again. In all my lessons, in all my lecture, I have tried to give you I have tried my best to give you my best concept of this question. what you need to do, watch this video again and again, watch them alone, and be focused on that video, so that your attention not lost. And if after watching this video again and again, you will write it on your rough register, and after note out these questions, you will copy them on your notes. Okay. Doing practice after class would be a best way to be strong in those questions. And these are the easy questions, you need to prepare them. I hope you understand, and if you have problem, you can discuss with me, inbox me the question. Thank you so much. I think that's enough for today कि क्वेश्चन हमने आज 4 कंप्लीट किया है और 5 के ये 3 पार्ट्स किए हैं. So students, I will also send you the pics of these questions, and best of luck. I have tried my best to give you my best concept. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care. See you in the next lesson. We will complete exercise 5.1 inshallah. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.